I'm sure that there are a lot of people at NASA or associated with NASA who listen to what we have to say and panic. Oh, we've got to change that. Oh, they've spotted it.
Yep.
So they're spending all this time changing information in the documents because we spotted the problems.
Well, I wonder if they're going to take the flag and move the shadow to the other side now.
Big problem, that flag with the shadow.
The retro control thrusters were turned on. If that was the case and they were turned on, how could that happen? When we look at the first video of them setting the flag up, and then we look at the second one when they're inside, and I'm talking the video footage, the shadows are on the same side. Nothing has changed, nothing.
Yeah.
But then when they make that cut, then the shadow changes. So there's always a cut in there.
You pulled that thing up on what aluminum does to radiation?
Oh, yeah, that was great. That's what I wanted Jared to explain. And he said that in school, they took a piece of paper, they had beta something and gamma. They took paper and they shot beta rays at it. Paper stopped it and the aluminum stopped it. And then they tried something else. It went through the paper, but the aluminum stopped it. Then they hit it with gamma rays. It went through the paper, but he said the aluminum, it sprayed it all over the place. It amplified it and sprayed it all over the place. And nobody was expecting that to happen in the class. So can you imagine these guys inside of the Apollo aluminum capsule just being bombarded by this radiation?
Yeah, gamma radiation. It changes to microwaves and X-rays as well.
Basically what he said at the end of this, he said, well, isn't that going to cook the Apollo astronauts? Aren't they going to get sick from this? It's amplifying it, but it's spraying it all over the place.
Yeah, it'll be coming from every different direction if you were inside an aluminum craft.
But it was the fact that he actually got to see this with his own eyes, and so did the class. And he said that's what impressed him.
It was beta, alpha, and gamma.
That's it.
Yeah, they're shooting the three different ones. Beta radiation is nothing more than light. I mean, you can stop it with a piece of paper.
It's those nasty things coming from deep space, the galactic cosmic rays and the solar particle events coming from the sun. That's what causes the damage. So when people go on about, well, you can stop the radiation with a piece of paper, all they're talking about is light, not X-rays. X-rays tend to go through bits of paper and bits of aluminium.
And there's space suits.
Gamma rays have a higher frequency.
And penetrate. Gamma rays are what is penetrating, they figured, like 30 feet into the surface of the moon, right?
Let's just say a gamma burst from the sun. Well, you're finished.